Here we've got simultaneous equations involving quadratics. So let's just think about, before I dive straight into the solution, think about what's actually going on here. Well, the top equation is actually the equation of a circle. So if you were to sketch it, it would be a circle centered on the origin, and it would have radius of root 34. That's not essential, but it's useful to know that that's what it looks like. And then the other line is y equals x plus 2. So that is a line with gradient of 1 and an intercept of 2. And so it might look, maybe this, might look a bit like so. And what we are interested in finding is where they cross, this point here and this point here. The thing is, at this point, the y value on the line is the same as the y value on the circle, which means that this y value is the same as this y value. And you can actually just substitute in for it. So you can write down x squared plus, and then you can replace the y by x plus 2. So x squared plus x plus 2 squared equals 34. And we've managed to eliminate one of the unknowns. The same, we're going to get two solutions. This is a quadratic, and both the solutions are going to be these 2 points here. Okay, so now we need to expand the brackets. So this is actually a double bracket, x plus 2 times x plus 2. So I'll write that down in full. Then I'm going to expand it, x squared plus x squared plus, I'm going to get a 4x coming out, and I'm going to get a plus 4. That's going to give me 2x squared plus 4x. I'm then going to minus the 34, minus 30 equals 0. And we've got ourselves a quadratic set equal to 0. Before we try to factorize it, really good tip is to always look for a common factor. There's a common factor of 2 here. So in this case, because it's equal to 0, we can divide everything through by 2. And that's going to give us x squared plus 2x minus 15 equals 0. Now I'm kind of expecting this to factorize. Let's see if it does. We're going to need an x and an x. 1 and 15 isn't going to work. Let's try 3 and 5. But one of them will have to be negative and one of them positive to give them minus 15. I'm going to need a plus here and a minus here, and that will work. That will give me positive 2x. I'm going to get 5x and a minus 3x, but it will give me minus 15. So we get x equals 3 or x equals minus 5. And then we can substitute it back in. It makes sense to put it back into this one because this is like the simplest one. Y is equal to x plus 2. So when x is 3, y is going to be 5. Just put 3 in here. When x is minus 3, when x is minus 5, we're going to add 2, so y is going to be minus 3, and we're done. X is 3, y is 5, or x is minus 5, y is minus 3.